For our 8-petal flower, we're using a 160. I've inflated it almost to the end, leaving just a little bit, and then burped it very, very soft. You can see how soft it is. Take the two ends, tie them together, forming a circle. And I'll trim some of this excess off if it's really long. Once you've got it into a circle, twist it up till you find your midway point. And then twist it into 2 equal sections. And we'll fold it in half. And then twist those 2 sections apart, making sure that they're staying pretty equal. Then you're going to take each of your 2 sections and one at a time, fold it in half, twist it, make sure that it's staying pretty even. And go to the other side, doing the same thing, find your halfway point, twist it. Now we're going to take our 2 ends, and I run my fingers and thumbs up through the middle just like that. Sort of squeeze it down, then I'll push one side over to the other so I've got the entire flower in one hand, just like that. And grab one half, pulling it apart as you do this. Spin it completely around, and then straighten it up. So all your petals should lay fairly flat. And there's your basic 8-petal flower. Add whatever kind of stem you like and you're ready to go.